National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Central Hall County in north-central Georgia until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oakwood, or near Gainesville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Gainesville and Oakwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.